In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay CRA online banking Scotiabank. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. So, how do you pay your personal income taxes online or in the app? You can pay your personal income taxes by adding the Canada Revenue Agency to your list of bill payees and making a payment just as you would with any other bill. Your account number for this type of payment is your social insurance number. So, as you can see here, to pay personal income taxes, you can select these, and to pay personal taxes for any other year for which you were assessed, select CRA. To pay your taxes in advance, select CRA Revenue Tax Installments. And for the others, select CRA Non-Res Tax PMT Areas, and the others select CRA Non-Res Tax PMT Current Year. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.